In this video, I am giving you my step-by-step guide for how to get glass skin. You've seen it all over social media. Everyone wants that dewy, supple, youthful glass skin look, but how do you actually achieve that? So this is going to be your step-by-step guide from a dermatologist. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known here on YouTube as the Budget Dermatologist. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for glowing skin without breaking the bank. And come follow me on Instagram. I post daily content there at The Budget Dermatologist. Okay, first, let's get a few things straight about glass skin. Most of these videos that you are seeing on social media from creators with glass skin, you guys, if it looks too good to be true, it's probably a filter or fancy lights or even fancy editing tricks. I do not want you to compare your skin to other people on social media and think that you are doing something wrong. Our goal here, at least my goal for you here, is to have healthy skin that you feel confident in. We are not going for flawless, perfect skin. That's not our goal. But you can do a few things to get your skin a little bit closer to that glass skin look, which is dewy, hydrated, and bouncy. And let me show you how. These are my 3 steps to get glass skin. Step number 1, I want you to improve your skin texture, okay? This is best done at nighttime. So one of the main reasons that we might have dull skin that's not very glassy-like is because our skin cell turnover slows down as we age. So when light hits our skin, it just kind of dies and gets absorbed and it doesn't reflect off and we have a dull complexion. But if you can fix your skin cell turnover, get rid of this dead skin cell layer, when light hits your skin, it will reflect off and you will give off a much more youthful glass skin look. So how do we fix our dull complexion? We need to exfoliate, okay? So exfoliation is key for our step number 1. I want you to choose the right exfoliant for you. This is not a one-size-fits-all, one product is going to work for everybody. I want you to look at your skin. If your skin texture is more bumpy, clogged or congested pores, you should be choosing an exfoliant that has salicylic acid as the primary chemical exfoliant in the product. This gets down into the pores better and helps clear out bumpy skin texture. On the other hand, if you just have diffuse, dull, dry, or crepey skin texture, you should be looking for a glycolic acid product, or maybe you just have really sensitive skin. You can look for more gentle chemical exfoliating acids like lactic acid or mandelic acid, okay? I'm going to link some of my favorite options in the description below. My main takeaway from this point here when you are trying to choose your own exfoliant is please do not overspend on this product, okay? This is one of the steps where you can get the best of the best products for a really affordable price. You should save your skincare budget for some of the other products, not this one. So here are some examples of really great exfoliants that you can put into your routine that will really work but not break the bank, okay? You can look at brands like Good Molecules. This brand is an amazing brand that has affordable products and they are very transparent with their key actives in the product. They often tell you the exact percentages of the exfoliant in the product or the ingredient, the key active in the product, and that is so important to me when trying to pick quality products. They have an overnight exfoliant. It's under $10. They also have a 3.5% glycolic acid product for $14. I will link both of those in the description. You can also look at the brand The Inky List, another great, affordable, and transparent brand. They have a 2% salicylic acid exfoliating product under $10. They also have a glycolic acid 10% product for $14. I will link both of those in the description. The Ordinary is another amazing brand to consider. They have the Holy Grail glycolic acid 7% toner, also for under $10. I will link that one below. And Versed, another brand I love very much for very simple products at affordable prices. They have a brightening solution that has an acid blend in it right around $20. So that's going to be linked below too. You guys do not overspend on this step. So once you find the exfoliant that is right for you, I want you to put this in your nighttime routine. Once to twice per week, depending on your skin type and condition. You will first cleanse your skin, then you will apply your exfoliant according to the directions on the label, and then apply a great moisturizer on top. Now remember, when you are exfoliating, really anytime, but especially if you have an exfoliator in your skincare routine, you need to pair it with an SPF in the morning because exfoliating your skin will make you more sensitive to the sun. Now this exfoliation step will loosen the sticky bonds of those dead skin cells that are forming a layer on top of your skin, making your complexion look dull. It will remove that so light will now reflect off your skin, you will have an improved skin texture and it will just feel more smooth, soft, and supple and really look more bouncy. So exfoliation is key. So that was step one, exfoliate, okay? That is key for your glass skin routine. Now step two, we are talking about hydration. This is another key for your glass skin look. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, you are not going to look very glassy-like, okay? So we need to work on the hydration of your skin in both your nighttime routine and your morning routine. So at nighttime, this comes down to choosing a great moisturizer for your skin. I prefer moisturizers at night that have a bit of a thicker texture, maybe a cream or even a balm-like texture. I will link some of my favorite nighttime moisturizers to get glass skin below in the description. It comes down to your personal preference. You want to make sure that it feels great on your skin and it's really locking in that hydration and holding in that water as you sleep. So when you wake up, your skin feels nice and hydrated. Then in your morning time skincare routine, you can consider using a hydration booster to really level up your glass skin look. You are going to be looking for products with ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, squalane, dimethicone, which is a lightweight occlusive, or even the ingredient mica, which helps light reflect off the skin even more. So let me tell you some of my favorite hydration boosters that you can add into your skincare routine that will not break the bank, starting with one of my all-time favorites by the brand Aven. It's their Hyaluron Active Serum. It contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, so it's kind of a combination serum, but I'm telling you guys, when I put this on my skin, it is glowing and looks so hydrated. It lasts throughout the day. It doesn't irritate. It's a super, super simple formulation. Any skin type can use this and tolerate it. I'm going to link that one below. Another option is a new product that just came out by the Inkey List. It's the Ectoin Hydro Barrier Serum. It's about $15 and it boosts the hydration of your skin to 10 layers deep. Okay, I don't really know about that, but when I use it, I feel super, super hydrated. It makes my skin look more bouncy. It feels really nice. It can be a key product in your glass skincare routine, and it's from the Inkey List, so it does not break the bank. I'm gonna link that one in the description as well. There's actually several products you can get from the Inkey List to pair with this to really give you this glass skin look. I would personally pair that with their Omega Water Cream. It's a very lightweight and hydrating moisturizer. And then you can follow it up with their polyglutamic acid dewy SPF 30 sunscreen. I think I got that name right. It's very lightweight and sheer on the skin. And at the end of your routine, after those three products, you will have a very glass, glowy skin look. I like to follow these hydration boosters, what I call them, up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Now, if you want to simplify your routine, you don't have to use one of those. You can still get a glass skin look, maybe not as glassy, but still very nice and hydrated look with just a great moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it. For example, one of my all-time favorites is from Neutrogena, their Hydro Boost. Comes in a gel version and also a cream version. It's a little bit thicker. It's such a lightweight moisturizer that makes the skin look so dewy and supple, makes the skin look and feel bouncy. I will link those below as well. Great budget options. And another new product that I've tried recently is by Clinique, who I feel like is really having a comeback in the makeup space and really making a name for themselves in the skincare space as well. Their products can be a little more pricey, but this new glow serum they came out with is so nice on the skin. I've loved using it. I've been using it almost every day lately. It has vitamin C in it, has hyaluronic acid in it, and it also has that ingredient I mentioned earlier called mica. So you put this on your skin and you are glowing and shimmering and you feel so youthful, and it feels really great on the skin. It's very gentle, it's fragrance-free. Clinique is leveling up, so I'm gonna link that one below too. Now, speaking of hydration for our step 2 here, okay, your level of hydration really goes beyond just your skincare and the products you're putting on the skin. You can improve your skin's hydration by drinking more water, obviously, and also by taking supplements, okay? So certain supplements like hyaluronic acid have been shown in studies to improve your skin's hydration, decrease the look of your aging and your wrinkles. So the one that I take is actually already in the collagen supplement that I take as well. You guys have probably seen me mention this many times before. I've been taking it for years. It's from Sparkle Wellness. It's the Skin Boost Plus. It has bioactive collagen to improve the collagen in our skin and the elasticity. It helps the hair, it helps the nails, but it also has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to improve the hydration of your skin as well. And it contains vitamin C, all working together to help with anti-aging and skin health. So that is another way you can really boost your glass skin look. There's also other supplements out there that have hyaluronic acid in it, just like straight up hyaluronic acid type pills. I think Ritual is a brand I've seen offer it. I've seen them just at the drugstore from drugstore supplement brands as well. Neutrogena makes a supplement that is supposed to help boost your skin hydration. I've seen good reviews on this. This one doesn't contain hyaluronic acid. It contains a couple other ingredients. But again, you should not overlook things in your diet and lifestyle that can also help you achieve glass skin besides just the things we are putting topically. And speaking of other things we can do for glass skin, I don't really know if this fits into step 2, which is hydration, but it's on my mind, so I'm gonna mention it now. Red light therapy, okay? I've mentioned that I use a red light therapy mask for many years now. I use the one by Cure. I'm gonna link that in the description of this video. Red light therapy is so good for your skin texture, for anti-aging, and really just to give you this boosted, hydrated, glowy look. Whenever I stop using my red light therapy mask, like I just get really out of my routine, or maybe I'm traveling, when I start back, I use it for just a couple nights and I notice such a difference in my skin, always looking more youthful. So red light therapy is another thing you can do that you might not have thought of that can help you get glass skin. And step 3 for your step-by-step guide here for how to get glass skin is to improve your skin tone, okay? This is probably not as important as the other 2 steps, but if you have a more even skin tone overall, you will look more youthful. There are 2 ingredients that are my favorites to help you achieve a more even skin tone. These are vitamin C and retinoids. You can use these at night if you want to keep your daytime routine simple. I want you to use this on nights that you are not doing your exfoliation step. So on these nights, your routine will look like cleanser, your skin brightener products, so either your vitamin C or your retinoid, then a great occlusive moisturizer. Now, if you do prefer to use the vitamin C, for example, in the morning, that's okay too. I don't generally recommend layering a bunch of skincare actives. So if you have a hydration booster in your routine, I don't generally layer these with vitamin C. I find that this can just complicate routines and sometimes can lead to increased risk of irritation. At most, you can alternate these where you're using your vitamin C one morning, your hydration booster the next, and that's okay. You will get results without using these actives every single day. And that's it for your step-by-step guide. If you do these things and you are consistent about it, you will notice a much more youthful, dewy, glass skin look. But I don't want you to just stop with your skincare. Like I mentioned earlier, there are supplements you can take and lifestyle choices you can make to help you get even better glass skin. I do not want you to overlook things like getting adequate sleep and exercising to help you get glass skin. Exercise gives so many benefits in our skin. If you didn't know that, please don't overlook this step. It improves our circulation, which makes your skin more glowy. It has so many other skin and health benefits, so consider adding that in if you really want to get the best glass skin version of yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully you found a few products in this video that might help you achieve a more youthful, glowy skin complexion. Let me know what you want to see next. Make sure you are subscribed before you head out. Come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon. Bye.